Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So this is Nifty on a daily time frame. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and these are the um, levels and fair value gaps that we had drawn yesterday. So our analysis was that Nifty is slowly grinding towards the upside, but unable to break through this level 24337.5, which has been holding back Nifty for 3 to 4 months right now. But the positive was that Nifty is not falling in spite of negative global cues. So let's get rid of all this analysis from yesterday and start afresh with the monthly time frame and see if any of this that I just mentioned has changed. What we do, we go from one time frame to the other, try to find out important levels, biases, and then we just record it here. This is an indicator I'm testing, so let that be there. Let's work on this table right now. This is Nifty on a monthly time frame. The bias is not sure. Why is it not sure? There are no lower highs or higher lows formed. Well, there is a higher low here formed, but the point is that this monthly candle has to close before we say it's a higher low. There are two important levels to look out for. This is where the buyers are, and this is where the sellers are. The sellers, the most important level 24337.5, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, fourth month. Nifty is struggling to get a close above that. That is where Nifty has faced all the selling for the last 3.5 months. Going over to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, Nifty is bullish. Why is it bullish? Take a closer look right here. If I just zoom in, this is a swing low, this is a higher low, and this is a higher low. So there are three higher lows, so buyers are buying at higher levels with confidence, and that's why it is bullish. I have a bullish fair value gap here that was formed, and that has been supporting Nifty for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. You see all that wicks there, that's all the buyers in this fair value gap. Going to the daily time frame, on a daily time frame, Nifty is also bullish. Why is it bullish? Let me zoom out. Zoom in, and you see this progression. So let's take a closer look. Let's not just work on trend lines, which are very subjective. Let's see here. This is a swing low. It's a higher low. There's a higher low here, and yeah, so that's three higher lows, and that is why I said it's bullish. So there is another fair value gap that's formed. Let's just find out where that is. This is this huge fair value gap that's formed there. You can see it came in, got bought back, came in, got bought back, came in, and got bought back. 3 times this fair value gap was tested. There's a huge liquidity zone. And then if Nifty decides to break out, then we should have a target for it. And that target is this is that target. That's 24,600. Why did I choose that target? It is this swing high. This is a major swing high because it has got swing highs on the left of it and on the right of it, and it's a major swing high. This was the previous target. That's from where this selling happened. That is the next target for Nifty. And if Nifty decides to fall, so the movement could be either, we should be prepared for a movement towards either side. Then the target on the downside is 23,500. 23,515 is what we got here. So 23,500 is the target on the downside. Going over to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is, well, I would call it not sure. The indicator, the logic says it's bearish because you see this is a swing high and this is a swing high, but I would call it not sure because you see this is a swing low and this is a swing low too, and therefore I would call it not sure. I have written bullish. I forgot to correct it from yesterday. I would just say, and going over to the hourly time frame. On an hourly time frame, Nifty is bearish. Why is it bearish? Let's just zoom in. This is a swing high, this is a lower high, and that's the reason it's bearish. Well, that is it for today. I'm not a certified analyst. I am doing this just for educational purpose. Thank you.